We're going to consider some theories of motivation. This is Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and you'll see that the most basic level he identifies is physiological need. That's a need for warmth, for food, and to have our basic human desires fulfilled. The next level is safety and security. We need to feel free from apprehension of danger. Then we progress to love and belonging, and this speaks of the positive human relationships we have, which give our lives meaning and context. And we then progress to self-esteem, in which we demonstrate our worth and begin to feel confident about our abilities. And that leads to self-actualization, when we're realizing our potential and thriving as human beings. And Maslow said that each of the levels of the hierarchy needed to be in place in turn before it was possible to progress to the next level. So he said it was a prerequisite to have our physiological needs met before we could feel safe and secure. Likewise, a prerequisite to feel free from apprehension of danger before we could have meaningful, positive relationships with others. When considering team motivation, it's useful to think about these needs and to assess whether they're being met in order to ensure that the team is able to function as well as possible. This is Frederick Herzberg, who's an American psychologist and developed a theory called motivation hygiene theory. On the left you see the factors he identified for satisfaction, things like achievement, recognition, job satisfaction, responsibility, advancement and growth. On the right you see factors for dissatisfaction. It could be that company policies are found to be at fault, supervision, relationships with colleagues, work conditions, salary, status or security. The key thing about Herzberg's theory is that he said, removing or reducing dissatisfaction does not in and of itself increase satisfaction. So getting rid of those dissatisfaction factors does not mean that everything in the workplace is going to be hunky-dory. Likewise, increasing satisfaction does not necessarily reduce dissatisfaction. So providing somebody with career advancement and recognition will not make them feel any less dissatisfied about company policy or supervision. So Herzberg said there needed to be 2 steps to motivating others. Firstly, eliminate dissatisfaction. Then enhance satisfaction factors such as achievement, responsibility and recognition.